Right.
Kazi yenu nzuri. Hao mbwa wangu nilitaka wawe aggressive, wawe wakali. Ndio sasa wakati mtu mgeni ameingia kwa hii nyumba ama kwa compound, waweze kunijulisha, wawe alert. I really want to appreciate Mr. Joseph for the good work that you've done. You see there is some progress.
Right.
Busia.
Good, Megan. Good.
This is Dogtrainer Joseph. We have been training aggression. The dog you see here had several problems. It used to kill birds. It was fighting other dogs, and nobody could handle it. It was raised in this home as a puppy, but people could not touch it. We have completed aggression. The dog is now well trained, and it's going to coexist with other dogs well. We are in Busia. This is Bugengi. Aggression has been going on. Now this dog can be handled. Before that, you could not even pet it. But now, people can easily pet it. You can give it commands, and it's not fighting other dogs. It's now aggressive. When we started training the dog, it was afraid. It was even running away. But now, it can easily bite. You see, you can even carry it. But before that, you could not touch this dog. I think we have done something good. This is another interesting dog. During the first lesson of aggression, the dog was very fearful. Very fearful. It was running away. It could not even take a step to attack. It wanted to hide. But now the dog has been trained. It's okay. It's aggressive. It's doing well. In fact, it's one of the best obedient dogs. As you can see, the boy is also touching the dog here as we continue training, which is so good. You see, the dog likes the family, and the training is getting on. You can get us on Facebook, Joseph Allen. You can also get us on our YouTube channel, Dogtrainer Joseph. Today, as we complete training here, we shall make sure that the dogs are well trained and take care of the compound. You can see the boy is very interested in the dog. Okay, touch the dog. Touch the dog. The doggy. Yes, this dog is very aggressive. We are impressed with it. And we shall make sure that as we complete training, you see the final stage, how it will react. This means we have finished the training. We are going, and don't forget to subscribe down here. Subscribe, and see what we are doing with the dogs. This is Spike. It's now very aggressive and obedient. I'm happy with it. From now, we are now going to train in Uganda. From training in Kenya. Continue following us. Subscribe down here on our YouTube channel, Dogtrainer Joseph. Bye.